In a move that caught many in the industry off guard last week, Brazil's health regulatory agency, ANVISA, launched a surprise public consultation for a new regulatory framework targeting personalized medical devices. This new draft guidance is set to create a dedicated and more complex pathway for technologies like 3D-printed surgical guides, patient-specific orthopedic implants, and custom dental prosthetics. While this signals a progressive step for Brazil in embracing cutting-edge technology, the details in the timeline are causing significant concern for international MedTech manufacturers. The proposed framework introduces several challenging new requirements. First, it places a heavy emphasis on the validation of the software used in the design phase, what is often called the prescription-to-print workflow. The draft suggests criteria that may not align with existing FDA or CE marking standards, potentially requiring companies to conduct new Brazil-specific software validation. Second, the guidance raises critical questions about data privacy and localization. It includes ambiguous language regarding the handling of patient-specific data, such as CT scans and MRIs, which could be interpreted to restrict the transfer of this data to design hubs located outside of Brazil. This directly impacts the operational models of many global companies that centralize their design and manufacturing processes in Europe or North America. A prime example is a German manufacturer specializing in custom cranial implants. Their entire business model relies on receiving patient data at their central facility, designing the implant, and shipping the final product back to Brazil. The new rules could force them to establish a local data and design infrastructure, a costly and time-consuming endeavor. The most immediate challenge, however, is the consultation timeline. ANVISA has provided only a 30-day window for feedback, which must be submitted in Portuguese. This tight deadline creates a significant barrier for foreign companies to analyze the complex document, assess its business impact, and formulate a meaningful response. The situation has triggered a scramble as manufacturers seek local expertise to navigate this unexpected regulatory shift. Understanding and responding to these nuanced regulations is critical for staying competitive in Latin America's largest medical device market. To navigate these complex new pathways, you can email or visit Pure Global.